The Air Force's leak of Boeing's proprietary information to competitor Northrop Grumman was not a major factor in the company's decision to forego the Ground Based Strategic Deterrent competition, the heart of Boeing's defense business said on November 16. Obviously, in any procurement process, you see instances where data is disclosed. Clearly that occurred during the process, Leanne Caret, President and CEO of Boeing Defense, Space and Security, said during a news conference ahead of the Dubai Airshow. I don't want to leave any impression though that was the sole reason for why we did not bid. It was more to do with the structure of the source selection, and we do believe there are ways to work through that. Boeing announced in July that it would not bid on the GBSD program's engineering and manufacturing development phase in December due to what the company believes is an unfair advantage held by Northrop Grumman, the sole company left in the running for the contract. The issue, Caret specified in letters sent to Congress this summer, is that Northrop's acquisition of Orbital ATK, one of only two potential manufacturers of solid rocket motors, could allow Northrop to offer a more competitively priced proposal. While the transfer of proprietary data from one company to its competitor is rare, it has occurred in several high-stakes programs. For example, as Boeing and EADS, now known as Airbus, battled for the KC-X tanker contract in 2010, an Air Force clerical error resulted in the companies receiving proprietary information from each other's bid. Although Caret declined to comment on the nature of the breach, an industry source told Defense News that the information shared with Northrop did not raise deep concerns from Boeing leadership that the company would be disadvantaged going forward with the competition.